guys, welcome back to another amazing video of Bold and Do. I've got my line here and I don't even know what I'm going to do today. Okay, so today I'm going to be doing random stuff. Yeah, I'm going to do random stuff. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. So, you know what? Here's the like button. It's invisible. If you click like, it'll make it visible. Ready? You clicked it. Oh, look, it's visible now. I can see it. Nice. But can you see it? You cannot see it. Well, I can. Maybe it's hidden. Maybe it's optical illusion. Show yourself, optical illusion. I turned myself and I'm stoked. Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you. Actually, I'm going to be showing you how to do an origami. So, all you need to have is a regular sheet of paper. But I have used these paper. So, I will be using green paper for my drum roll, please. Oh, dinosaur! I know that was a bit bad drum roll, but I mean it's so good. I mean it's not that bad. If you agree with me, that's good. Oh, why is it so dark? Let me make it lighter. Why is it so light? Okay, this is normal. I just need mine. There we go. That's better. So, if you actually want to get a challenge, you have to do it with your eyes closed. So, I'm just kidding. You don't have to do that, but I'm going to do it. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, I'm just kidding. So, the first step you need to do to make a dinosaur is to fold it like that. Yeah, you have to fold it down like this. Fold it down. I'll just repeat it one more time. Fold it down and make these sides equal. And then you should get this. And after you do it, unfold. Do it on the other side. Next step is pretty easy. Yeah, so you open it up. So you fold it like that. You still had it like that, yeah. Fold this corner down, fold this corner down, open it up, and then you get a square. You have to fold this corner down all the way down here. Fold this corner down there. And then have to flip it over and do the same on this side. Fold that down to here. After you've done that, you have this. Then after you have this, you flip it like that. You see, there's a flap here that you can open. I mean, there's a pocket here that you can open. So you hold on that pocket, like on these two, then push these two inside, and then you will make a square. I mean, it's not my ultimate square that I made last week, but it's pretty like that one. So if you enjoyed this video, please smash a like, but I haven't finished. So, after you have this, you still have that square. And make sure, for the next step, you need to make sure that the opening of all this is facing towards you. So it's like this. So there's no opening. But if it's facing you, then it should have an opening. Then, after you do that, you fold this. Here's my opening part. You fold this corner. You fold this part. Here's my opening. Remember your opening. Fold this part down all the way there. So you get So you get this. And you do it on the other side. Remember to only use one flap. Do the exact same thing. That. And then flip it around and do the same thing. And repeat on the other side. Like this. Flip it over. Do the same exact thing. I'm sorry if this video is not that clear of how to make it. You can search on YouTube how to make it better, but I'm sure you'll manage. Because it's charging and I have to hold it up. I don't have that stand because it has to have the be charged stuff. So yeah. Whoa, the phone's sliding. Oh, I have an idea. Wait for me. Okay, I got one of the stands. I think this one can hold a charger. I'm not sure, but it should hold a charger. And it can hold a charger. That's just absolutely amazing. I can bring this down. Wait, but it can escape. It cannot escape. It's the best stand I have in my life. Okay, my light's still here. Yep. Nice and bright. Light here. That's better. Once you have it like this, you unfold one part. You fold this corner down. So you fold down on this line here. You fold down and then you should end up like something like that. After you make that fold, you unfold everything. Well, not really everything. You unfold this part. And remember the opening over here. You get this opening. It's 2 flaps. I'm going to make it closer. So you see, I can make it on the edge. So you see that it's 2 flaps. There's one here. There's like a little pocket. You fold that pocket up. Keep folding it up, and then you should get this. After you do that, you have to press it down so it ends up something like this. Something like this. And after you've done that, repeat it on the other side. That means you fold this part down again, and then you just repeat it. You unfold it, take the two flaps, open it up, and then flatten. Then you get this. My light just fiddled for a sec. Okay. Then there's also a crease to help you fold on if you would need any help. Oh, my light has got so much dimmer. I'm just gonna make this better. There we go. Should end up something like this. After you've done that, you unfold one of these flaps down, turn it around, and then fold here, fold this edge to this edge, like that. And then you unfold it, and then do the same on the other side. After you've done that, there should be 2 creases, like an X. I don't know if you can see it, but it's right there. Fold those 2 together. So we're gonna create a bunny here. So once you have it like this, you squeeze it together. So the bottom turns, and then after you've done that step, fold it down like this. So you get this. So for the head, you have to fold this flat like this. It depends on how long or how you want your head. If you fold it like that, I'm gonna have my head like that. I'm gonna unfold and repeat on the other side. And then you open it, and then you push on this crease. Push on this part where the two creases connect. Push on it, and then fold it, and then fold it. So you push it, it's like this, and then you fold it on the creases, and then you flatten. Then you get this. After you've done that, you fold the legs down. Fold the other leg down. Oh, not really leg. You fold these two flaps down. So it's like a ballerina. Oh yeah, I forgot one part. So, for like the little hands at the front, take this part and fold it down. And fold it down. It depends how much you want it to get out. Fold it down, and then you don't want to do this. You don't want to do this, or else there's going to be no hands. If you've done that, it's fine. You can just pull it out a bit, and then re-flatten. And then, after you do that, you should have something like. You should have something like this. There's your little hands. There you go. And for the legs, you have to fold this part back. You have to fold it back. So it's like this. I'm gonna just put this leg up for you to see. So you fold this leg up behind the leg, and then so you get this, and then you fold that bit. You fold that bit back. So it's like this. Oh, great, no. Wait, actually, no. You fold this part, yeah. You fold it back like that. And then you fold it in front. So you get like a little leg. Same on the other side. And repeat it on the other side. And then you have finished your dinosaur. That's how you make your dinosaur. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Smash like and subscribe. Bye!